Ahoy, shipmates! Slightly different today, we have a meteorite. Now, the way that ferrycam works at night time, it has a very long exposure and does make fast-moving objects look a little blurred. At night time, seagulls can often be seen flying around the Port of Southampton and give the impression of meteorites as you have these long white streaks in the sky. This time, however, we have the real thing. Pretty amazing, eh? Let's have a close-up and slow motion view of that. Superb. Just many of the wonderful sights and sounds of the Port of Southampton. Till next time, shipmates.